How to create line graph in Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, open up your spreadsheet or your Microsoft Excel file. Here, as you can see, I have these datas. Now, in order to make or create a line graph out of them, what you will have to do is simply select these datas, then go to insert. Now, go to chart. And here you will find several chart type. If it is not already set in line chart type, simply drag down this chart type button and then tap on this line chart, and here you go, your line chart will be made. You can also edit it. Tap on this three dot and then go to edit chart. You can change the color and many more. Go to customize, go to chart style, and from here you will be able to change color of the background and different other things as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.